off. Screen curtain off. Screen
Okay,
curtain
guys,
on.
hello.
Hello?
FaceTime.
Hi,
Search.
guys.
Page 1 of 8. Page 8. Showing app library. App library.
It looks like it doesn't even want to upload.
Search view. Search cans. Sec B C E F J R J K L N N O P Q R S T V D Y.
And also, I don't
Selected.
have a Linux VM.
What do you mean?
I'm telling the viewers that I don't have a Linux VM.
YouTube.
Right, where's the
YouTube.
live stream?
Loading videos. Button. A red arrow point. U tab car alpha bullet search alpha view bullet view channel. Back setting search ghost view back alpha cuts more videos more live tab playlist shorts live well pub late pub unlisted random live stream unlisted random live stream plus random pub late playlist short videos.
Oh, I'm
Back
getting the live stream so I can have a look at the chat.
I have setting up my drafts setting
Oh, it's
up my
uploaded.
first Diva virtual machine as a blind person 1 hour 24
Well, no one's going to check out the video.
video
Hello, guys!
play 3 I'll tap to watch short videos
Oh,
cast
I'm getting the live stream so I can have a look at the chat.
I have setting up but play add alone well open 2
Oh, there's 2 people already watching. Oh my god, that is so quick. I think that's Erin and Erin. Jeez! You are quick.
open 2 add alone well open
You are very, very quick. Right.
What are you going to do?
Distro 1, Microsoft Family Feature,
Nice.
Microsoft Family Feature.
What the? It's a blank screen. Literally, this whole thing is a blank screen.
What?
Microsoft Family Features. I don't know why that's open.
welcome to open well add mode well 2
If you really want to, you can watch the video which was uploaded.
But I wouldn't recommend it since it's just only been released, and I think the live is going to give you a bit more detail.
Especially on
That thing.
look.
And I'll show you.
Especially since
Email
Alfie's going to
Disk
say the
Column
full thing.
3, Linux Mint. Email Workstation Column 2, Linux Mint. Email Workstation, pane.
Guys, you're not hearing stuff.
Yeah.
2 chat add alone more welcome to live open rare well Adam chat
I think I should start it up, guys. Come on, guys. Chat. Shout out to Erin and Erwa.
I'm going to bring up the chat on my phone.
I've already got it on my phone. Guys, if you hear that, oh, no, that is loud. That is loud. Sorry about that, guys. See, my door, the door is, there's a really big problem because I got locked in. I actually did get locked in. I had to get someone to help me to get out of the door. I know it sounds weird, but I actually did. And then now the little mechanism thing that opens the door has been removed. So now it makes that sound because there's a gap in between the door. Because of,
If you don't believe that Alfie has the Linux Mint thing and it's just a window title,
hold on, guys.
Adam chat add alone more welcome to open 1
Aw, who's just left?
1 chat add alone well open 1
Alright then, they'll join, I think.
1 vid collapse autoplay collapse Adam alone more add alone well open 1 add chat
So for Erin that's left, or Erwa that's left. Anyway, guys, let's.
Toolbar, edit up UE, tab E, M, power, remote power submenu, startup test control BT, Linux Mint, Email Workstation, pane.
stop Microsoft spam, please.
Chat. Add. Learn more. Adam. Learn. Welcome. Open. 1. 9. Open. Welcome. Adam. Chat mess. Chat mess. Add. Open. 1. Top mess. 1. Live chat. Clip. Set. Close. Top. 1. Close. Video. Collect. Cap. Play. Full. Next. Full track. Live. Random like. Alphies. Like this. Like this video along with 0 other people. Alphies Tech World 48 subscribers. Button. Random live stream. Random live stream plus live track position full screen track live random live stream plus shout out to both of my friends.
I know.
One watching started 5 minutes. Like dis rip clip say live chat publicly as live chat head live chat clip set clip top 1 open learn welcome to live Adamo chat learn open 1.
Okay.
Bullet.
Top mess 1 chat mess add learn welcome open rep 1.
Screen reader on.
Go to the desktop.
Lefty desktop. Icon view. Linux Mint 22.1 mate 64-bit icon.
You heard that.
Yeah. I have a Linux virtual machine. And if you don't know what a virtual machine is, it's basically a computer inside of a computer.
Hey, it's not my object.
I stole it.
I think you should check if that web browser actually installed.
I doubt it did.
Let's just check.
Okay, hold on.
Top mess
Imagine
1
it installed
chat mess add learn open 1 open add chat mess
Because we ran it like 3 times.
Guys, come on, get in the chat.
Menu. Accessories, graphics, internet menu. Firefox web matrix. Thunderbird may transmit web apps. Firefox web
Wait, I wonder
apps.
if it's in web apps.
Return. Web apps frame. Image. Matrix. Firefox. Tree level 1. Name icon column header
Okay,
image.
so
Tree level. Menu toggle button not preta image. Matrix. Firefox. Tree level 1. Name browser column header Firefox. Name column header Matrix.
okay, so clearly it hasn't installed.
Escape. Left
Are you going to change your key
Linux
echo?
Mint 20 left control.
Yeah, well, hold on,
It's
guys.
well annoying.
Screen reader preferences dialog.
Oh, so it's
Left
caps lock and
control.
space.
Voice page tab. General page tab. Voice speech page. Braille page. Speech tab. Enable speech checkbox ticked. Verbosity panel. Verbosity. Verbose. Selected radio button. Punctuation level panel. Spoken context panel. Only speak displayed text. Speak blank lines checkbox. Speak indentation. Speak misspelled that. Speak object name. Speak child first. Speak tutorial message. Speak description. System messages are detailed checkbox ticked. Speak colors as names. Announce block quotes during announce forms during announce landmarks during announce lists during announce panels during announce tables during speak full row in GUI text. Speak full row in docket. Speak full row in help push button. Apply push button. Cancel OK push speech tab. Enable speech checkbox tick verbosity panel. Verbosity. Verbose. Selected radio button. Punctuation level panel. Punctuation level. Most. Spoken context panel. Only speak displayed text checkbox not ticked. Speak blank lines checkbox open for next go cancel push apply push button. OK push
So,
button. Speech
how do I
page
do it
tab.
again?
Rail page tab. Echo page tab.
Okay, we go.
Tab. Enable key echo checkbox ticked. Space. Not ticked. Enable echo. Enable echo. OK push button. Cancel push button. Apply push button. Return. Screen read cancel push button. Apply push button. Can OK push button. Screen reader settings reloaded. Linux Mint 22.
Okay, so I've changed that.
And
Adimo.
saying
Chat
left
message
control all
input.
the time.
Adimo. Alone. Welcome. Op. 1. Chat. Chat. Add. Alone. Well. Op. Well. Alone. Add. Chat.
Huh? What did you say again?
At least now it's not saying left control all the time.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do?
Colon. Tilde frame. Alfie at minimum colon tilde dollar. Alfie minimum. Alfie at minimum colon tilde dollar. Alfie minimum.
Wait, should I install Apache?
What?
Should I install Apache?
No.
How come?
Because I doubt it's gonna go well.
We can only try. Just to be sure, I'm going to... just to be...
Snapshot the VM first.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Toolbar. Edit. UOP. Cut power. Remove a pause. Send. Grab. SS. Snapshot. Submit. Take snapshot. Linux Mint. Take snapshot dialog. Taking a snapshot lets you preserve the state of the virtual machine, so that you can return to the same state later. Name. Edit alt and selected snapshot 1. Description. Edit. Multi-line alt blank. Description. Edit. Multi-line alt selected terminal snapshot. Take snapshot button alt. Linux Mint. VMware workstation.
Here we go. I took it.
Unknown cursor.
Right. Is it sudo apt install Apache?
Yeah.
Wait, what the...
O. D. U. S.
I think Orca's locked up.
How do you spell Apache? A-P-A-T-H... No, T-C-H-I.
I think, yeah. What's happened to Orca? Oh,
Left bracket sudo right bracket password for Alfie colon.
and the good thing is no one can hear it.
Reading package lists. 0%. Done. Building dependency tree. 0%. Building dependency tree. Done. Reading state information. 0%. Done. E colon. Unable to locate package Apache. Alfie at minimum colon tilde dollar.
It's not there, Alfie.
Wait, let me just get my iPhone.
No, it's probably not on the repositories.
Let's just see. Okay? Let's just see.
Okay.
Chat message input. Chat. Adam. Alone. Welcome. Open. 1. Adam.
I think it is my iPhone SE 2nd gen. Honestly, my desk is a mess of wires and all sorts of things.
Same with mine.
Or even is it? I don't even know.
I doubt Apache is on the Linux Mint repositories.
If it isn't, then I can just install something else.
Install what?
I don't know, but where even is it? I'm literally searching all around my desk.
How about you install Plasma Discover?
Maybe.
Because that's an app store of apps and games. Because the package manager app isn't accessible. So you might as well install Plasma Discover.
Yes, it is. It is accessible.
That's for updates manager.
Oh, you're talking about that.
Silly.
Wait, where even is it? I literally had it on my desk. Don't say that it's fallen off.
And I don't recommend adding repositories. It's well
Chat message
dangerous.
input. Chat. Ellipsis. Text field.
How is it dangerous?
Double tap to edit. Use the rotor to access misspelt words.
Wait, how do I even revert to a snapshot?
I don't know.
Let me check.
I do not know, my friend.
Tool
I do
edit
not know.
UE con power remove pause send control grab SNet snapshot takes revert to snapshot 1R. Snapshot manage revert VMware workstation dialog. By restoring the snapshot, the current state will be lost. Do you want to restore snapshot 1? No button alt end.
So that would be great for, like, say, Crypto NWO. I don't know why he doesn't use it.
I'm actually going to tell him to do that.
Because you actually don't take as much disk space.
And you don't need to reinstall Windows
Uh-huh.
all the time. You can just snapshot before you run the virus.
Yes, but VMware workstation dialog. Saving virtual Linux Mint. Pain. 11%.
What's it even doing?
21%. 31%. Linux Mint. VMware workstation. Pain.
Desktop. Linux
Is that
22.1
easy?
64-bit icon.
Bro! Snapshot before you install anything.
Mm-hmm.
Because it literally saves you.
Tool
a bunch
edit
of
the
time.
pop removable pause control send control grab SNet snapshot take revert to snapshot 1R snapshot manager control mm 1 snapshot 128.06 2025 16 hours 37 minutes and take snapshot 1 snapshot Linux Mint snapshot you are here selected
Ow!
property page no screenshot available snapshot details grouping take snapshot button alt T clone button alt show auto protect snapshot auto protect button close button alt help button you are here selected you are property clone take
Snapshots
help
will be
close
useful if
button
you're
alt
going to do
Linux Mint
dangerous experiments.
Mm-hmm. Wait a second.
What are you going to do?
toolbar
I am
file all
just
edit all
curious. Hold on.
power remove of code send grab S snapshot take revert to snapshot VMware workstation dialog by restoring the yes button alt Y no button
Wait.
Linux Mint tool edit U alt B M tabs of B power remove pause control send grab S snapshot take rev takes Linux disk name edit all description edit multi-line alt click take snapshot but Linux Mint VMware workstation pane tool UALT BM powers up remote set grab S snapshot take revert to snapshot manager 1 snapshot to 28.06 to snapshot 128 1 to take snapshot to 1
Oh, now it makes sense.
snapshot
Hold on a second.
you are snapshot created 28 snapshot 1 snapshot is selected description take snap clone delete button alt E
Wait! Crypto NWO does need this.
How?
Because if he wants to create a snapshot, if he wants to have like 10 snapshots for 10 computers, you know what I'm saying? Cloning, yeah. I'm deleting.
description snapshot to snapshot to
Wait,
snapshot
Yeah?
This
snapshot
will be useful.
Uh-huh.
to take clone
Because,
delete
let's say
VMware
if
workstation
you
dialog
install
are you sure you
Yeah.
want to delete snapshot
Right.
snapshot to Yes, but no.
You don't have to
Workstation
reinstall it.
dialog. 80. Linux. Workstation. Linux Mint. Snapshot Manager dial. Property page. Linux Mint.
Why is that so easy?
I don't know.
Adam, chat message input. Chat. Adam, line. Welcome. Open
That's
1.
that's Alfie's host's name.
EM full screen univer. Unknown
Well,
person.
Alfie at Mint
Yeah.
till the dollar isn't his host name, it's at Mint VM.
Linux Mint 22.1 mate 64-bit icon.
I'll install Apache later.
Do you have a snapshot?
Yeah.
Good, you don't know break anything.
I have a snapshot one, which is a terminal snapshot.
Good.
Honestly, why does CryptoNWO not use this?
I don't know.
It is so easy.
All he needs to do is make one snapshot, then clone it 9 times.
Or just take multiple snapshots of the window.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should tell him.
I will.
I'm gonna be using that for when I get my Windows 7 VM.
Why?
Because that'll be useful if I want to run like a virus or something.
Well, like Infinite Blue.
Yeah.
You could probably start something like that. And you'd see how it goes with a screen reader on.
Yeah.
Oh. Now that'll be the most interesting one yet.
I'm so glad I have Orca, because Orca is basically the more advanced version of NVDA and VoiceOver combined.
Orca is well advanced. By the way, you can install TTS engines.
I know. Wait, can you show me how you install RH Voice?
Yeah, install RH Voice.
Left bracket Alfie at Mintrum colon. Alfie at Mintrum colon.
Either way, I have a snapshot that contains the original Orca settings.
Yep.
So if I mess Orca up now, I can just boop, revert.
Yep, so now we no longer need to worry about breaking something.
Yes. Why did I not think about that before?
Yeah, I was about to say you should have snapshotted it.
Anyway, is it sudo space snap space install space RH Voice?
Yeah.
Is it just one word, RH Voice?
I think it's RH-voice.
Let's just see. Oh,
I'll search it on my phone if you want.
nah, it's fine. UDO.
Ace,
Yeah. Snap.
SNAP.
Install. RH dash.
Left. Word for Alfie colon.
It wants sudo password. Which, if you're wondering, that's
Sudo
your
colon.
user
Snap colon.
password.
Command not found. Alfie at Mintrum
Snap isn't
colon,
found.
tilde
Maybe
dollar.
I need to install Snap.
You don't.
Weird, because it says command not found.
Hold on. I'll search it on the phone because you might need to do something else.
My friend, home face.
Search RH Voice on Google.
PM.
Okay, I've done something.
RH Voice search. Choose out.
that GitHub thing.
Oh my.
Maps, close, skip to close, re-download,
Yeah, that's GitHub.
projects, ID, button. More read.
Search RH voice on Google.
Okay, I've done the search for RH Voice. rhvoice.com. We build and operate text-to-speech applications using the RH Voice system. These provide RH Voice, RH Voice, RH Voice,
There it is.
RH Voice. Skip to content, skip R, remain navigate menu, code, RH gives developers hope to give more visually impaired people the ability to use a good free synthesis voice. The creator of RH Voice, where can RH Voice be used? /bullet on Windows with NVDA and XAPI 5 compatible program. Bullet on Android with TalkBack and other text-to-speech apps. 2. Bullet online apps with Augur. 3 of 3. See installation instructions. Link installation instructions. Link menu installation for MP's installation to use R down, comma, then follow this and down for other installation. You could follow one of them this way and down manual install Google File Liner installation. This page link for installation instructions. This page link. R in main menu using there are 3 possible options of installing RH. Bullet 1. An up-to-date package distributing through the Snap Store. Bullet 2. One of the packages built for specific Linux distributions. This for more in this page. Link for more information. Listen bullet 3. Link compiling from source. Visit one of RH Voice source repository. Visit to learn more. Distribution through the Snap packaging system is preferred by the developers of the core RH Voice engine, as it allows us to use this website link to learn about them. The Snap only installs the RH Voice DTS engine itself, including the module connecting RH Voice to Speech Dispatcher. Voices need to be installed via the newly implemented built-in command line Voice Manager. Most of the commands described below need to be run as root. To install the Snap, run this command. Sudo snap install revoice, code sample, region, landmark. SUDO.
SUDO.
Hold on. SUDO.
Space.
Space.
Yeah.
S.
Yeah.
N.
N.
Yeah.
A.
Yeah.
P.
Yeah.
Space.
Space.
Yeah.
I.
IN
S.
S
T.
T
A.
A
L.
L
L.
L.
Space.
Yeah.
R.
Wait, hold on.
H.
Hold on. HVOICE.
Yeah.
You. App : command not found alpha at Vintrum : $.
Need to install a voice. There's a list of available voices. Run. Sudo voice VMA. Let's assume we would like to
Hold on a second. Maybe you need to install Snap.
speech.
APT install Snap.
End. Done. Building dependency tree. 0%. Building dependency tree. Done. Reading state information. 1%. Done. The following NEW packages will be installed. Snap. 0 to upgrade.
See?
1 to newly install. 0 to remove. And 1 not to upgrade. Need to have 377 KB of archives. After this operation, 2,756 KB of additional disk space will be used. 0% left bracket working right bracket. 0% left bracket working right bracket. Get colon 1 http colon / archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble /universe AMD64 SAP AMD64 2013-11-29-11 left bracket 377
Now you know what it
KB
looks
right
like to
bracket
install something
3%
with
left
app.
bracket 1 SAP 12.3 KB /377 KB
That-
3%
I think
right
you should
bracket
install Plasma
100%
Discover as well,
left
Alfie.
bracket working right bracket
You can
Edge
get a lot from there,
377
it'll be
KB in ones left paren
Especially since
551
it's
KB /S right
Mhm.
paren selecting previously unselected packages app left paren reading database 5%
Now you know what it looks like to install
539,035 files
something
and
on
directories
Linux
currently
with
installed
APT.
right paren preparing to unpack /SAP line 2013-11-29-11 line AMD64.deb unpacking
That's
SAP
old.
left paren 2013-11-29-11
That is
right
old.
paren 40% right bracket left bracket 23 number setting up SAP left paren 2013-11-29-11 right
Isn't it?
paren
That's old.
processing triggers for man-db left paren 2.12.0-4 build to right paren Alfie at minimum colon $.
Okay, so
S.
I know how to do it. SUDO space SNAP space SINSTALL RHVOICE
colon command not found
A.
Alfie at minimum colon $.
A.
Yeah, maybe it's just not working.
Hold on a second.
What?
SNAP
Oh, but can be installed with colon sudo apt installs apt Alfie at minimum colon $.
SNAP
Command app not found, but can be installed with colon sudo apt installs apt Alfie at minimum colon $.
So it looks like it needs to be reinstalled.
snapped.
What?
It said snapped.
I don't think it works anymore. Alfie,
Hold on.
you might need to compile it from source.
Wait. SNAP T.
Reading package list 0% done. Building dependency tree 0%. Building dependency tree done. Reading state information 1% done. Unable to locate packages apt Alfie at minimum colon $.
Top message 1. Chat add well open 1.
We are not aware of any way we can register RH voice with speech dispatcher automatically. 1. Open the terminal and change directory to /usr/lib/speech dispatcher modules.
Alfie,
Yeah?
there's no point anyway.
Uh-huh.
How about Plasma Discover? Because I think you should show them what it's like.
Is it apt again?
Yeah, sudo apt install Plasma-Discover. I'll help you with it.
Okay.
And you're gonna have Plasma Discover on your home screen as well.
Mhm. Is plasma PLASMER?
PLASMA.
Oh.
Little hyphens.
Yeah.
DISCOVER.
F E D
DISCOV.
DISCOVER.
reading package list 0% Reading package lists. Done building dependency tree. 0%. Building dependency tree. Done reading state information. 1%. Done. Desktop style QML-module-org-kde-sonnet QML-module-qt-labs-folder list model QML-module-qt-labs-settings QML-module-qt graphical effects QML-module-qt QML-module-qt QML-models to QML-module-qt quick-controls QML-module-qt quick-controls to QML-module-qt quick-dialogs QML-module-qt quick-layouts QML-module-qt quick-private widgets QML-module-qt quick-templates to QML-module-qt quick-window to QML-module-qt quick to QML-module-qt web engine QML-module-sso-only counts QML-module-ubuntu-only counts qt speech 5-speech-plugin qt wayland 5 sion-plugin -oauth 2 software-properties-common software-properties-qt sonnet-plugins unattended -upgrades Plasma-framework Python 3-distro-info Python 3-bict 5 Python 3-bict 5.zip Python 3-software-properties QML-module-org-kde-loose QML-module-org-kde-kconfig QML-module-org-kde-corridors QML-module-org-kde-kirigami 2 QML-module-org-kde-quick controls QML-module-org-kde-quick controls add-ons QML-module-org KDE-new stuff QML-module-org-kde-prison QML-module-org-kde-purpose QML-module-org-kde-QQC2 desktop style QML-module-org-kde-sonnet QML-module-qt-labs-folder list model QML-module-qt-labs-settings QML-module-qt graphical effects QML-module-qt QML-module-qt QML-models to QML-module-qt quick-controls QML-module-qt quick-controls to QML-module-qt quick-dialogs QML-module-qt quick-layouts QML-module-qt quick-private widgets QML-module-qt quick-templates to QML-module-qt quick-window to QML-module-qt quick to QML-module-qt QML-module-sso-only counts QML-module-ubuntu-only counts qt speech 5-speech-plugin qt wayland 5 sion-plugin-oauth 2 software-properties-common software-properties-qt sonnet-plugins unattended -upgrades suggested packages KD Connect KDE-telepathy-send-file qt5-qml tooling-plugins apt voico-i KDE-config-updates plasma-discover-backend-flat package spell bsd-mail default-mta mail-transport-agent need restart recommended packages apt suggested packages KD Connect KDE-telepathy-send-file qt5-qml tooling-plugins apt voico-i
Night Sky.
KDE-config-updates plasma-discover-backend-flat package spell bsd-mail default-mta mail-transport-agent need restart recommended packages apt. The following NEW packages will be installed. Libt5 web channel 5 Libt5 web engine -data Libt5 web engine 5 Libt5 web engine core 5 Libt5 web view 5 Libt5 x11 extras 5 Libt5 XML 5 T64 equal to -10 libs in yon -plugins -common 1 libs in yon -qt 5-1 libs apt -qt -2 lib voico 1 libs -composite 0 libs -record 0 libs -res 0 plasma -discover backend -f1 plasma -discover backend
Linux is more powerful than i4.
Night Sky.
Linux is more powerful than
info Python 3-bict 5 Python 3-bict 5.zip Python 3-software-properties QML-module-org-kde-loose QML-module-org-kde-config QML-module-org-kde-corridors QML-module-org-kde-kirigami 2 QML-module-org-kde quick controls QML-module-org-kde quick controls add-ons QML-module-org-kde-new stuff QML-module-org-kde-prison QML-module-org-kde- dash purpose QML dash module dash org dash KDE dash QQC2 desktop style QML dash module dash org dash KDE dash solid QML dash module dash QT dash labs dash folder list model QML dash module dash QT dash labs dash
Okay.
settings QML dash module dash QT graphic effects QML
There's
dash
no point
module dash
in
QT
doing
QML
the
QML dash
update
module
anymore
dash
since
QT
the
QML dash
the
module
update manager.
QML dash module dash QT quick dash
Yeah,
controls
and-
QML dash module dash QT quick dash controls to QML dash module dash QT quick dash dialogs QML dash
Although
module
it
dash
is
QT
interesting
quick
to
dash
see
layouts
the
QML dash
verbosity
module dash
to the
QT
app
quick dash
update.
private widgets QML dash
Yeah.
module dash QT quick dash templates to QML dash module dash QT quick dash window to QML dash module dash QT quick to QML dash module dash Qt web engine QML dash module dash SSO dash only counts QML dash module dash Ubuntu dash only counts Qt speech 5 dash speech dash plugin Qt Wayland 5 sign on dash plugin dash OAuth 2 software dash properties dash common software dash properties dash Qt solid dash plugins unattended dash upgrades. 0 to upgrade, 190 to newly install,
Jeez!
0 to remove, and 1 not to upgrade. Need to get 86.8 MB of archive. After this operation, 331 MB of additional disk space will be used.
That's a
Do you
lot.
want to continue? Left bracket y/n right bracket. Window.
Oh my god.
You're installing an app
Password
store.
text bullet.
Oh,
Bu-
What?
bullet. Nine bullet characters. Alpha minimum colon. Tilde frame. Do you want to continue?
is it doing anything?
Why a memento?
Alpha minimum colon. Tilde frame. Line feed selecting previously unselected package link 5 corridors dash data. Progress colon. Left bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Preparing to unpack. /017 dash link 5 corridors dash data line 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 5 line all dot deb. Progress colon. Left bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Unpacking link 5 corridors dash data left paren 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 5 right paren. Progress colon. Left bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Selecting previously unselected package link 5 corridors 5 colon AMD64. Progress colon. Left bracket
Even though it's
4%
what
right
you
bracket
use,
left
so that's
bracket
great.
umber 56 dot right bracket. Preparing to unpack. /018 dash link 5 corridors 5 line 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 5 line AMD64 dot deb. Progress colon. Left bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Unpacking link 5 corridors 5 colon AMD64 left
This is like really
dash 0 Ubuntu 5 right
Seriously.
progress colon left bracket 4%
Yeah.
right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Selecting previously unselected package link 5i18n dash data. Progress colon left bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Preparing to
This is
unpack
more
/019 dash link
verbose
5i18n dash
than
data line 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 6 line all dot deb. Progress colon
That's saying
left
something.
bracket 4% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Unpacking link 5i18n dash data left paren 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 6 right paren. Progress colon left bracket 5% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Selecting previously unselected package link 5i18n 5 colon AMD64. Progress colon left bracket 5% right bracket left bracket umber 56 dot right bracket. Preparing to unpack /020 dash link 5i18n 5 line 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 6 line AMD64 dot deb. Progress colon left bracket 5% right bracket
to
left
unlock
bracket
it? Will
umber
that affect
56 dot right bracket. Unpacking link 5i18n 5 colon AMD64 left
usually when I
paren
leave it and it locks
5.115.0
by
dash 0
itself, it
Ubuntu
usually
6 right paren.
completes.
Progress colon left
Press a
bracket
key.
5% right bracket left bracket number
Just so
56
it's
top
Night
right
sky.
bracket.
Center of
Selecting
screen.
previously
Okay.
unselected package list.
Top message 1. Chat mess at the welcome open the technological genius. Hi button. The technological
Hi.
genius. Uncross button. Add emotes button.
Honestly, this is verbose.
Left bracket 5%
This is
right
so
bracket
verbose.
left bracket number 56 dot right
Aha.
bracket. Unpacking link 5 icon themes dash data left paren 5.115.0 dash 0 Ubuntu 6 right paren progress colon left bracket 5% right bracket left bracket
Oh
number
my
number
God.
56 dot right bracket. Selecting previously unselected package link 5 archive dash data. Progress colon left bracket 5% right
Look,
bracket
guys,
left bracket
this is my
number
first
number
ever time
56
using
dot
Linux
right
today,
bracket.
so
Preparing to
I'm only
unpack
getting used to
slash
this.
022 dash link 5 archive dash data line 5.115.0
you guys who have been
dash 0
using
Ubuntu
Linux for
5
like
line all dot dev.
years.
Wait,
Progress
maybe it's
colon
already
left bracket
installed.
5% right bracket left bracket.
Oh yeah.
Alpha 556 colon command not found.
Why did I enter that?
Alpha at minimum colon
What the
tilde
heck?
frame. Alpha at minimum colon tilde. Menu.
Yes,
Accessories men, graphics men, internet men, office menu, sound and the system tool places me system locked screen, sys place home folder desktop document places system preferences administrator control help, about mate, preferences men, syst place sound and video men, office menu, internet menu, Firefox matrix under transmission, web apps, Firefox internet graphics
So where will
menu,
it be
accessories
installed?
menu, shut down,
I'm not sure.
Hold on.
Alpha at minimum colon tilde. Run application dialog. Edit cancel push button. Editable combo run in terminal check. Editable combo run with file show list of no applications. Table with 45 rows 2 columns. Archive manager. Sil calcu sil cell sil discuss sil document sil disks. Alt sil discover. Alt +7. Alpha at minimum colon tilde frame. Alpha at minimum colon tilde dollar.
Wait, discover.
Mhm.
There you are. Plasma discover.
Discover alpha at minimum colon. Discover.
Roger.
Discover. Dialog. Search text. Layout pane. Discover page tab. See more push button. See more push button. Dialog. Accessibility. Accessories.
Whoa.
What?
Accessibility.
Oh no, you're in Plasma Discover. You can download it.
Developer tools. Education.
Okay, that's going to be great.
So now
Okay.
you have a few app stores installed. You have Flatpak, Apt, and you have Plasma Discover.
Mhm.
Graphics. Internet. Multimedia. Office. Science and engineer. System settings.
Try Internet.
Plasma
You might
add-on.
get a good web browser.
Internet. Layout pane. Internet dash 205 items page tab. QBittorrent and open dash source BitTorrent. Dialog. Layout pane. Back. Chat. File sharing. Mail. Web browsers.
Web browsers.
Mail. Web browsers. Ticked. Less U greater H less slash U greater home. Less U greater I less slash U greater installed. S less U greater E less slash U greater T things.
Mm.
What?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Less U greater a less slash U greater about. Up to date. Search text. Search layout pane. Web browsers dash 70 items page tab. Sort colon. Rating checkbox not ticked. Falcon web browser 266 ratings. Tor browser launcher a probe. Crystal surf Geminis. Web browser web 4. Quartet browser a keyboard. Angelfish web browser. Linux Mint 22.1 Tor browser launcher a program. Linux Mint 22.1 LuaKit fast. Linux Mint 22.1 Conqueror KDE5. Linux Mint 22.1 Morph browser word. Linux Mint 22.1 Dillo lightweight browser. Linux Mint 22.1 NetSurf web browser. Linux Mint 22.1 Privacy Browser and Web Browser. Arc Job Manager Manager. Tor Browser Launcher Setting. Activity Dash Aware File. Arc Storage Explorer.
Which one?
I don't know.
Drafts. Unlist. Setting
Oh, it's
up
not
my
loaded.
first Diva virtual machine as a blind person 1 hour. Pause. 24. Play. Chap. Add the techno. The learn more. The tech. The add. The welcome. Open 1. Night sky.
That?
Well, since that's installed,
How about you browse through?
yeah.
Dialog. Layout pane. Back. Discover
And maybe
page tab.
install Steam as well, because Steam for Windows is bloatware. You can even play Steam Windows games. I'll help you with that.
Speaking of which, I'm making a new snapshot right now.
What, with the
Toolbar,
plasma
pane.
cover stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that every time you install something that works. Only because you don't want to...
UE power remove pause control send grab into SS snapshots take snapshot Linux Mint this main edit alt and selected snapshot to description edit multi-line alt blank.
What just happened?
Oh, I'm typing.
Oh. What are you typing?
In the snapshot description.
Okay, description edit multi-line alt selected contains Plasma and tablet software.
Whatever.
Take snapshot
Night sky.
button, Linux Mint VMware workstation pane unknown cursor.
So now I have 2 snapshots, so I can revert back to any.
Yeah.
One that doesn't contain plasma and one that does.
So, just in case you need plasma. Oh yeah, and do you want Flatpak apps coming up like Google Chrome?
I'll do that tomorrow.
Okay, because if you want to, I can help you set that up. It's kind of easy. You just need the Flatpak plugin for Plasma.
I know, I saw plasma add-ons.
Where was that?
Huh?
Where was that?
Look.
See more push up. See more push up. Type Lexi. Up to date. About. Settings. Installed. Home. Layout pane. System settings. Science and engineering. Office. Multimedia. System set. Plasma add-ons.
What? Wait, that was in the Plasma Discover app? No, you have to install the Flatpak plugin from terminal.
Oh, so let me guess, sudo apt install Flatpak.
You already have Flatpak installed.
So,
At least I'm pretty sure you do, because Chris Wright had it pre-installed. And it did say on the page that it comes pre-installed on Linux Mint.
okay.
So you'll have it pre-installed.
So how do I access it?
What? How do you access Flatpak?
Yeah.
Oh, you just need to run a command to install an app for Flatpak.
Oh, okay.
But you need a bundle ID and a bunch of other things. Which I'll give. Which, if you want to install an app, you can easily go to the Flatpak website, install apps, and it'll take you to FlatHub, find an app you need, from there you can install it.
So I'll use Firefox to do that.
Yep.
Besides, I'm not signing in anyway, so it can't really take data.
True, yeah.
So,
And once you get the Plasma Discover Flatpak plugin installed, you can install either Google Chrome or Opera or whatever.
okay.
What are you going to install?
How can I install the Plasma Discover Flatpak plugin?
Hold on, can I bring up the website?
No, it's fine. We can do that tomorrow.
Oh, I think I know now.
How?
Sudo apt install Plasma KDE plugin. Oh, I forgot it now.
Plasma KDE plugin.
No, it's not that.
Oh.
What's in the settings for Plasma Discover?
I don't know.
Do you want to have a look?
No thanks.
What should we do now?
Well, I might
Open reactions
turn off this
menu
VM
button.
now.
Menu. A drop-in box houses to places logout shutdown accessory shutdown. Dire shutdown push suspend push restart push shutdown push cancel push shutdown push
Firmware workstation by Linux Mint.
What was that?
Firmware workstation. Pane.
Probably saving my progress.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's all I'm going to be using for this Windows. Oh,
App. Secure desktop. Windows default lock screen window. Lock screen. Lock screen. Normal cursor.
Home. App. Screen recorder. Mic. Plusnet. 15 battery power. Entered
I'm
YouTube.
actually interested what the command actually is.
we can do that tomorrow. Anyway, we have updates to talk about, especially for Blindsoft.
So first, on the Linux games, they will be released on Plasma Discover,
And Flatpak.
Flatpak, Plasma Discover, a few repositories, and a GitHub page. Well, not a GitHub page, but you can compile it yourself.
So, and we are also releasing the games earlier than expected. Mainly because the Linux, I've got a Linux VM now, so that's gonna be easy.
Now, all you need to do is get Thingy installed. I forgot what it's called now, but it's where you can like distribute and develop.
Yeah.
So, the repository that will be published on I'm publishing it on FlatHub, the hub for Flatpak apps.
Yeah.
It's trustworthy.
And then Plasma Discover.
You can get it off anywhere. If you have the Flatpak plugin installed, you're probably going to get it.
App start cursor. Normal cursor.
And Linux Mint will be supported.
It's always gonna be supported. Besides, the VM I've got is Linux Mint.
Ubuntu will be supported.
Yeah, Ubuntu will be supported.
Debian will be supported.
Debian, yeah.
Pristini will be supported.
Which is the Chrome OS terminal environment. Well, Chrome OS Linux.
App
environment.
start cursor.
Technically, you should
Normal
be called
cursor.
Chrome OS Linux.
Yeah. And it will support any other Debian-based distro that has sudo and apt.
Yeah.
So, if your distro is not Debian-based, you are allowed to compile for your distro, but you need to actually do it with guidance because the game will detect when you connect to the server. It'll be like, wait a minute, this is modified. So when you ask for compiling, you get a certificate. You need to add that into the trust folder. So each game will have a trust folder with 3 certificates. The compiling certificate, which is automatically made by us, the server certificate, and the update certificate.
Yeah.
And if you ever have issues compiling or installing, you can always go on the community forum.
Yeah. Or chat with us on Meteor.
So if
Which will also be available on Linux as well.
yes, on FlatHub, default repositories, Plasma Discover,
Yeah.
and as a compiled file, let's say you can compile it.
So we might also be releasing it as a .deb for Debian.
That's if you want a quick install.
That's what. Yeah.
And you do need a few dependencies installed for the game.
Mhm.
And there's going to be a few Orca modules which will need to be installed as well. Those will come pre-installed in the packages.
Oh yeah.
If you ever need to modify anything, you can do modify. No. So when you install one of our games, it will install a command blindsoft. So if you put blindsoft space mod, you will be taken to the mod store.
Mhm.
And it's going to be a UI, so not one of those weird command line programs like NMTUI.
And like Power and all
Valorant isn't even a UI or
I
a
know.
command line program, it's just terminal output.
that. Mhm.
Honestly, if you need a good jailbreaking solution, you might as well just use Uncover.
Although we're having a bit of a problem with it.
Why is it?
Well, because they have Apple's fixed the WebKit exploit. So that's annoying.
You can always sideload the IPA using AltStore.
Or if you have Xcode and you've got a certificate, you can obviously do that.
But I do not have any guidance on that because I do not have a developer certificate or a Mac.
But I might show it you.
A warning, if you are going to sideload it, Apple are allowed to just disable your certificate.
Yes, they are.
With AltStore, they are not allowed to.
Mhm.
So it's best to do it with AltStore, especially since it'll never expire if you're near your Mac or Windows.
Mhm.
Because AltStore is powerful Mac.
Mhm.
Narrate YouTube. Double app switcher.
Yeah.
YouTube. 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 Plus net. Alone. Well, the techno chat at alone. Well, the tech open rep 0 top 0 top 0
Mhm.
0 Adamo. Welcome to the welcome to the open rep 0 chat message.
Will renew the certificate.
Mhm.
Then send it to AltStore. AltStore's gonna use that certificate. Done.
Yeah.
And also, eSign is now a configuration profile.
Yes. So if anyone wants to install an IPA and you want to sign it, do that.
You could probably do it.
Yeah.
It says patched version of eSign app.
Mhm. So we might be getting the Apple Developer Program this year because it's actually cheaper than we expected. It's £78 per year. So in the US, you have to pay more.
That's actually justified because you're paying for those certificates, and certificates are like £10.
Mhm.
App distribution is like £20.
Mhm.
Everything else, like developer access and all that, is like £30.
Yeah. So actually, in the US, you have to pay more. In the UK, you actually pay less. But it's still the same amount of money if you convert it. Alexa, what is £78.99 in US dollars?
78.67 IEP is about $117 and 5 cents.
Alexa, what is £78.99 in US dollars?
78.67 IEP is about
I never said that.
$117
Alexa, what is £78.99?
78.99 IEP is about £85 and 71 pence.
I'm doing a live stream.
Sammy J. Sam 447830 028275 44.
Back.
Okay. I've just got a wagon wheel.
A what?
A wagon wheel.
Oh. I'm interested what the command is for Flatpak to install the plugin.
Try again. Fun touch ID. Emergency
No.
solid.
Search Flatpak on Google.
Okay, I've found this on the web for Flatpak.
English meaning. Flatpak Festival Birmingham. Flatpak. The future of application distribution. Flatpak Safari.
It's not the future if there's no line.
Future of Flatpak. Start here and get set up. Link. Toggle map. Flatpak.
Listen to this, Anthony.
Alt-line and Chroma Red Hat Line of OpenS Linux Mint. Link. Image. Toggle. Flatpak. Follow these symbols. Linux Mint. Quick setup. Flatpak. Visited. Follow this. Flatpak support is built into Linux Mint 18.3 and newer. No setup required. Heading left. Home. Visited.
See?
Link.
Oh.
No setup required.
Linux Tilt Shift Back. Button. Toggle. Quick select. Link manager. Endless alt-line Chroma Red Hat Linux Mint. OpenS USE Arch. Link Debian. Rocky Hill Center. Eurocal Budget. Human Solid Outcome. Budget. Open.com. Element was regular Lightboy. Linux of Pure Token. Atarax or NFT. Card. MS Legacy. Endeavor. KD. Linux. KDE. Neon. Toggle. Create. Follow the Flatpak. Flatpak support is built into the Flat. Follow the fallback. French. Silver. Toggle. Crystal. Vanilla OS. Salad. Code. Headset. Code. Top. Flackers. Command. Edit. Order. Chroma. Red. Line. Open. R. TV. Rock. TV. Lake. Toggle. Flat TV. Font 1. Install. Sudo apt install Flatpak. Install the Flatpak package is available. Sudo apt install copy the 2. Install the software Flatpak plugin. If you are running GNOME, it is also a good idea to install the Flatpak plugin for GNOME software. To do this, run $sudo apt install GNOME software plugin Flatpak. If you are running KDE, you should instead install the Plasma Discover Flatpak backend.
See?
Mhm.
$sudo apt install Plasma Discover backend Flatpak. SUDO Spain ET Spy NFTALL Spain LASMAITISCOVERBACKEND.
Longest command ever.
Copy and through add the Flathub repository. Heading Flathub is the best Flathub repository file. Link.
I need to do?
What?
Is that what I need to do?
Yeah. It'll be helpful if you want to install Flatpak apps with a UI.
Mm-hmm. I can't believe macOS used to use Internet Explorer.
I know, it's weird.
Also known by Sanjoax as Internet Exploder.
I'm going to check the chat.
Try again.
Okay.
From 1 to basket 1, 2, 3, 4.
Open YouTube.
YouTube cast. Subscriptions. Create subscription. YouTube company. Search on Jimmy. Crew. Scanning. Alfie's Tech World. Alfie's Tech Ram Visage. Ram tab to watch live. Tab to watch live. YouTube. Top S0 open link. The Technological Genius. Hi. Button. The Technological Genius. Uncast button.
I don't know what that even means.
Welcome to the Tech G Spacaki C-A-O-L-O-G-I-C-A-L Spacaki N-I-U-S full Spacaki N-C-O-S-E exclamation mark. Welcome to the chat message input. Chat message.
What does that even mean?
Send button. Send.
Wait, can you send a message in the chat?
Uh-huh.
The Tech World Nathan's Tech World moderator. What does it even mean, Nathan? I have Nathan message. Remove message. Message with author. Channel activity. Go to chat dismiss. Topic 1. Open reactions menu. Button. The Technological Genius. Hi. The Technological Genius. Uncast button.
Chat message. Add Nathan. Line more. Welcome. The open rep 1. Night sky.
Operator. What does it even mean? Chat message input. Chat Nathan's Tech World moderator.
Chat. Add Nathan S. Tech World moderator. What does that even mean? Nathan. I count Nathan F. Message. Nathan. Pin mess. Report. Pin message. But report. Remove. Author. Channel activity. Go to channel. Remove as managing
not do that?
moderator. Put user in timeout. Hide user on. Dismiss.
We're going?
Hide you. Dismiss. Remove. I count. Dismiss.
Hold on.
Butter. Chat. Nathan. Line more. Adam.
Chat. Ellipsis. Text field. Track position. Field. Open 1. Close. Set clip. Live expand. Live chat clip. Button. Nathan's.
App Start Card. Secure desktop.
Chat message input. Chat. Text field is editing. Insertion point at start.
It's updating.
Use the rotor
fucking
to access
Windows.
misspelt words.
Yeah, but it's updating.
I bet the update is made to get rid of Linux or something.
It's so worth it, Gia. Only crying. Fitting the
Selected. 17 there. 18 back chat mess. Delete keyboard input. Native selected. Add emote. Chat mess. Nate. Line more. Welcome. The technolog. Welcome. Nate. Select. Chat message selected. Add emote. Chat message input. Chat delete. keep shelter in. Socialist. Wash hands. Learning. Elbow cap. Chill wicket. Hydrate. Take. Sanit. Yeah. Take out. Yeah, got this. Virtual hug. Video call. Virtual hug.
Configuring Windows
Thanks,
updates.
Doc.
35%
Good vibes.
complete.
Elbow bump. Delta 5. Elbow bump. Welcome to
Configuring Windows updates 94 complete. Don't turn off your computer.
Configuring Windows updates 95% complete. Don't turn off your computer. Configuring Windows updates 98% complete. Don't turn off your computer. Configuring Windows updates 100%
Configuring Windows
complete. Don't
updates
turn off your
95
computer.
complete. Don't turn off your computer.
What are you doing? Sorry. Where's the
Configuring Windows updates 98 complete. Don't turn off your computer. Configuring Windows updates 100 complete. Don't turn off your computer.
Your video. More info. Done.
Harry said Samuels is the best.
I know.
Sammy. Ring.
Harold is the best.
I don't
Sammy
know.
J. Sam. Ringing.
All it does is try and recognise the intervals in the percentage bar.
Sammy J. Sam. Not connected. Active ring. Sammy J. Sam. Ringing.
What's it doing?
I don't know.
Why has it just done that?
Sammy J. Sam. Not connected.
Check if you're eligible to upgrade to Windows 11.
I will.
Try tabbing.
I forgot my pin link.
Pin password edit. Type in text.
Oh great, I need my keyboard. This again. Stop.
Okay.
That sounds weird.
Driver error.
Hmm?
Driver error.
What do you mean driver error?
You say driver error.
I forgot
Yeah,
Password edit.
Star.
Stop playing the drum.
Star.
This box. Switch to Elfie Way. 1 of 2. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Welcome.
Oh, what now? Gosh, Windows.
Microsoft
I
Family
have
Features.
never.
Microsoft Family
What the-
Features.
Error dialog. Some operations add-ons failed.
See the log files
Single
and enter.
Microsoft Family Features.
Sign in button.
Microsoft
Press
Family
space
Features
bar.
window. Sign in button. App Start cursor. Normal cursor.
Microsoft Family
App Start
Features.
cursor. Normal.
Sign in button.
Download. Sign in. Download history. Jobs profession. Microsoft. Download. Sign in. Download jobs profession. Jobs pro. Options sub. Option.
Exit up. Enter.
Jobs
Leave it. Cancel. Okay.
Microsoft Family Features. Download list of permission denied. Support portal. Broadcom support portal. Google. Download list. Microsoft. Download history. Good. Download. Start window. Search window. Search box edit E. Level 1 visuals. Anywhere workstation. Ghosted Hypervis E. App Start cursor. Normal cursor. Title loading complete. Close button. Restore button 1 of 1. Close button. Search window. F. File it. This piece. Best 3. Document. Document. Trust valuable. Virtual. Windows.
What are you doing?
Windows. Linux Mint 1 of.
Booting
Items.
single
Linux
again.
Mint. Linux Mint EMXLCK 1 of 48. Linux Mint. Love. Linux Mint scoreboard.
Oh my, I
Linux Mint
think
EMXLCK Items selected. How do you want list more app? Look for it. OK. Linux Mint EMXLCK window. Items view list. M56007. Linux Mint. 1240. Linux Mint scoreboard. Linux Mint. 4 Linux Mint. App start cursor. Normal cursor. More work. Station dialog system submenus. More work. System sub. Move them. System submenus. More work. Toolbar. Edit alt. U alt. EM alt M. You edit file. New window. Open. Open dialog file items Linux Mint EMXLC Linux Mint to left Linux Mint to left 2 Linux Mint EMXLCK 1 off 2 items file name file can't have it recent address search command items Linux Mint to left 2 more workstation power on is virtual tree view Linux level 1 Linux Mint edit for devices button next memory to get power on is for pane toolbar context mint help Linux file edit of UALT compound remote pause can send control of grab S snapcat snapshot sub takes and revert snapshot manager 1 snapshot to snapshot take snap to snapshot 128 0 sit 1 snapshot to 28 0 snapshot Linux Mint more works.
Wait, it still saves your snapshots?
Yeah.
Screen reader on. Login screen frame. Enter password for Alfie password
Message.
text.
Faith. Done. Sammy. 4 plus. 4 ring. 4 7 8 ring. 4 4.
It's crazy.
Sam J. Alfie Wayne said. Contact J. FaceTime video. iPad. 4 4.
We do?
I'm gonna sign in.
Stop Winnie.
Bullet.
It's gonna say screen reader on.
Screen reader on.
Screen reader on.
Desktop. Icon view. Linux Mint 22.1 made 64-bit icon.
Horrors shelter in clip set it close top 1 open lift the technolo live chat the tech welcome alone Nate selected add emotes button Nate selected add emotes Nate add chat message input chat
Nothing. Oh.
Desktop. Linux Mint web menu. Accessor shutdown. Logout Alfie. Lock screen. Window.
Anyway, let's carry on talking about Blindsoft.
How can you open up the next minute?
Because I just like it so much, and besides we might use it in a minute.
Okay.
Anyway.
Guys, put an L for Microsoft. Spam L for Microsoft.
I thought it was L for Linux.
No, for Microsoft because they're lost.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Now, anyway, I want to talk about how the Linux apps will run, especially on Blindsoft. So, it will be utilising the Orca's accessibility framework. I forgot what it's called now, but it will be utilising that.
Basically, it might actually use Speech Dispatcher instead.
Well,
So,
Speech Dispatcher is the system that allows Orca to speak.
I know, but Speech Dispatcher is also used for programs that need to use TTS. So it'll be using that, and it will warn you to turn off Orca.
Well, for games it will, yes.
Because if you don't have Orca off, it's probably going to be reading a bunch of gibberish. And if you need to close it down, basically when you press exit, it will say please turn off Orca off before continuing. Just to make sure that you don't end up locking up his user.
But for Matrix, no, not Matrix, for Meteor, that will be utilising Orca.
It will, for messages, it will use Speech Dispatcher because it will read the message out.
Yeah. And we're also making YT Chat Reader available, so for Linux you can have
That will use Speech Dispatcher.
that will definitely use Speech Dispatcher, but for navigation it will use Orca.
Yeah.
Or whatever screen reader you've got installed. Personally, I think Orca is the best screen reader.
It's the most customizable one.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You nearly got lost in all the customization options.
I accidentally changed the synthesizer to something else.
A broken one.
Yeah, a broken one. So, never change it to like OpenGTalk or whatever it's called.
He had to get someone that could see to help him.
Because it was confusing.
Yeah, Orca like locked up.
It was like the speech like locked up. I couldn't navigate, so. And I didn't know I didn't even know if the screen reader was on or not.
Tomorrow, I think you should install Audio Game Manager as well.
Is that an app, not a operating system?
It's an app
Oh, great. That's good.
on Linux.
Okay. Is it on Plasma Discover?
No.
Oh. Flatpak?
It's a Git clone.
Oh. Well, I have installed Git.
Do you have?
Mhm.
And you remember?
Yeah, I said I have.
Yeah, you just need to put Git clone and then the URL.
Mhm.
I'll give you the URL.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of games you can get. Adventure at Sea. There's like, I don't know how many rows. But it is a command line based program.
It is.
Yeah.
But what happens when you launch one of the games?
Oh, it opens up something called QJoyPad.
Oh.
It's basically if you want to play games which need a controller.
Oh. But what about like when you launch a game on it?
Oh, it'll say like using Wine Tricks, whatever version, and then it'll load up.
So basically.
It'll open up a window.
Oh, for the game.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're wondering how I know all about this, I watched Chris Wright's video
Yeah.
on how you do it.
Why did he use Linux Mint as well?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you not know?
No, I didn't actually have a look at his channel. I haven't had a look at his channel for ages. Because I have been subscribed. I was subscribed to him. I think I still am, but I don't know. I lost count.
If you do get a Raspberry Pi, you could get Stormbox gaming image.
Yeah.
You get a bunch of Windows games.
Whoa.
I
know, because you showed me the video, so I would have known.
And there's even some games which are translated into English.
I mean, that's great translation, I guess.
What?
That's great. The fact that they've translated all the stuff.
Actually, no, it uses something called Translate Shell.
Whoa. So the person didn't actually translate all the text.
I think we should use that for our games.
Well, I think for Swift it's going to be easy. Because I think there's like a thing where you can use like translation things, unless you have to put the text in yourself. Which I doubt.
But basically, when you install one of our games and try and launch them, it'll say you need to install a few things before continuing.
So that'll be like a few packages.
Screen curtain on.
And those...
Wait, hold on.
What?
What was this?
Collapse. Video player. Collapse. Chat. Add. Nathan Est. Learn more. Welcome. Detect.
Oh, never mind.
But those packages need to be user installed because of security restrictions with Linux. It'll tell you to install Translate Shell, obviously, so everything's translated.
Yeah.
It'll try and guess what language you're using. Based on like your Linux Mint language. It will ask you to install QJoypad
Yeah.
because you have game controllers.
Guys, I'm actually using 4 gigabytes of RAM for that Linux Mint, and my Windows has not even been affected.
And Linux Mint is working really well as well.
Yeah, it's like really smooth. There's not been any errors. The system hasn't even brought any errors on at all.
Guys, if you want a operating system which is lightweight
And buggy, and no bugs, bug free.
but apart from the Oracle locking up thing.
Yeah, that's the only thing. It's that speech synthesizer. It's just use eSpeak for the time being. I know it sounds like really robotic, but that's how I'm having to use it.
Well, I'll say, you could install a TTS engine.
I could, but I don't know which one to pick.
Well, Orange Voice won't work.
We know that.
Maybe Vocalizer or something.
Vocalizer definitely will work because I've seen it in action.
What, on Linux?
Yeah. But yeah.
And to run an SH file, it's // and then the file name. And if you press tab, it will suggest what you're trying to type,
I know.
which is really useful.
It's even more. It's definitely more useful than say macOS, because you just have to rely on knowledge.
Yeah. And when you first start the terminal, it tells you if you want to run a command as administrator, type sudo.
Yeah.
So it's actually really helpful.
I think the developers of Mate, which is the Linux Mint, I think they have done a really good job of continuing GNOME 2, and especially for continuing the Linux Mint for so long.
I wonder if you could get Orca add-ons.
I don't know.
Wait, actually, I want to search that. I know, guys, there's a lot of searching. It's just pure interest. Because
since we've installed Linux, there's been like interest, especially like lots of interest.
I think I know why. Because there's like so much things you can do.
There is. I'm not joking about that. There is a lot of stuff that you can do.
Oh. Search ORCA screen reader on Google.
Okay, I found this on the web for an Orca screen reader. Check it out.
Wikipedia, Orca screen reader. Orca is local Orca screen reader. Before you begin getting started, Orca, a free and open source screen reader. Orca.no.com.
Whoa!
Yeah, it does have its own page.
Free, open source, flexible, and Orca works with applications and toolkits that support assistive technology service provider interface, SPI link, which is the primary assistive technology infrastructure for free and open desktops. Contributing Orca in the start, get involved, link, source code, as a build as a part of the project, individuals will first look at the build and the documentation below for documentation in the start, Orca user's guide. Using Orca's preferences called link. Using Orca's keyboard command. Accessibility in the link.
This will be helpful for you.
Accessibility in KDE. Link in the start principal links. This Orca's issue track. Link on the lab. Orca mailing list on free instance. Also in copyright Orca developers 2024. Copyright site source. Link page menu address. Orca.no.org. Orca learning. Orca heading learning. Orca is a free Orca web assistive technology, which is the primary assistive technology. FaceTime speech off.
Well, now we know what the framework is called.
It's weird using Linux on a Windows laptop.
What's next? Linux on a MacBook?
Possibly.
No. Hold on. Mac OS on Linux.
Oh.
Android on Mac OS. What should we do?
Well,
Push button. Password text. Unlock push button. Password text.
Oh, someone's going on to Linux.
Good morning, good afternoon.
It's not fun.
9 bullet character. Desktop. Linux Mint 22.1 mate 64-bit icon.
Yes, fish fingers. What are you doing?
Shutdown, accessories, graphics, internet menu, office menu, sound and the system tools menu. Linux Mint 22.1. Run application dialog. Editable run with file. Show list of no help push button. Classic calculator. Cell character. Color selection. Dictionary. Discover. Alt desktop. Linux Mint 22.1 mate 64-bit icon.
I'm going on Plasma Discover.
Layout pane. Discover page tab. See more push button. See more push. Accessibility. Layout pane. Accessibility -30 items page tab. Wi-Fi QR Wi-Fi share with QR code 2 rating. Work rate program that assists in the onboard flexible on-screen key. K-mouse tool automatic clicks to reduce the effect. Enter text without a keyboard to K-Mac screen magnify. Linux Mint 22.1 Exerciser Accessibility Explorer for the GNOME desktop 2 ratings. K-Mouth Speech Synthesizer Front End 14 ratings.
What the?
What?
K-Mouth Speech Synthesizer Front End 4. Screen Magnifier Linux Mint 22.1 GX Your Automatic Keyboard Layout Switcher Linux Mint 22.1 Enable Viacam Webcam Based Mouse Linux Mint 22.1 eBook Speaker Speaking E-Reader No Linux Mint 22.1 Plover stenographic input and translation. No ratings yet.
Try searching TTS engine.
Pay. Dialog. Search text. Search in accessibility. Layered pane. Accessibility dash dialog. Accessibility tip. All applications. Layered pane. Accessibility sort code. Up to date. About. Set installed. Home. Layered pane. Plasma add-ons. System setting. Science and then Office. Home. Search text.
What?
Search text. Text to speech engines.
Whatever.
Clear search layered pane. Search colon. Text to speech. Dialog. Layered pane. All applications. Accessibility. Accessories. Develop. Educate. Drop. In. Off. Sit. Plasma. Home. Install. Set. About. Up to date. Search text. Clear search push up. Layered pane. Search colon. Text to speech engines dash 0 items page tab. Search the web for quote text to speech engines quote push button.
Search for
Menu.
web.
Accessories menu. Graphic internet menu. Firefox web browser. Layered pane. Search colon. Text to speech engines dash 0 items page tab. Search the web for quote text to speech engines quote. Search with Google or enter address editable combo box. Finished load. Collapsed push button. Search with Google account push button. Search with Google reload push button. Browser tabs to new tab page. Firefox new browser tabs to open context. CNET getting enough open context menu. Wallpaper from Dave open The Guardian get a sharp note. Wallpaper from David Hop it a topo. CNET getting enough protein mode. Privacy notice. Browser tabs new tab open and reload push button. Collapsed push. Search with Google account push button. Search with Google or enter address editable combo box. Search with Google. With Google. Editable combo box chat GPT. Sign in before you continue to Google. We use cookies and language colon. English sign in link. Browse mode. Loading. Please wait. English United States. Email or phone entry. Focus mode. Forgot email. Email or phone entry. Email. Learn more about you next push up. Email or phone entry vigilemail.com. Invalid entry. Couldn't find your Google app. Forgot email. Email or phone.
Why did I do what the?
What?
Hold on. I need
Welcome
my
to
magic
Live
keyboard.
Chat.
I forgot.
Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines.
I think
What the?
Learn more. Welcome to Live Chat. Nathan S.
What was that?
Welcome to Live Chat. Remember to guard your
Oh.
video collapse.
I thought my live stream would have been taken down. Jeez.
Add people button.
That was
Add people. Add
close.
people. 44783.
Uh-oh. If I would have got my live stream capabilities taken away, I would be mad.
it's Especially since I was having it for a few days more than you.
Ferdotti, email or phone entry. KCR.
If this is true Linux, it will say when you sign in.
About using invalid. Learn more about your next push button. Email or phone entry vigilane14@gmail.com. Invalid entry. Focus mode. Ferdotti. Email or phone entry missing. Email or phone entry email or phone entry Vigilane 14 selected. Invalid entry. Selection deleted. Email or phone entry. Invalid entry.
How can you
Focus
try to do
mode.
ChatGPT?
Hold on.
You can
Ferdotti
easily do
email or phone
OpenAI.
entry. Invalid entry. Focus mode. Tilde.
How do I do again?
At.
Oh.
Email or phone entry Vigilane40@gmail. Ferdotti leaving form. Learn more about using next push button. Enter your password text.
Oh, great.
They won't be able to hear it.
How?
Don't you remember?
I forgot the password. You know what? No need. Absolutely no need. Right. Let's unplug this. To be honest, I don't really care. I can sign in later.
Even if... Wait, why would you search in ChatGPT?
Because I want to ask it something.
What do you want to ask it?
How to install like are there any TTS engines out? Wait, where even is my iPhone?
Yeah, you could just use your iPhone for ChatGPT.
Yeah, but I'm just where
Top
where
of
is
screen.
it?
Video will be paused and available on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. YouTube.
Where even is it? It might be in my drawer actually.
You speak as well robotic, honestly.
That's true. It's not in there.
By the way, the Steam Deck now has a screen reader.
Oh! Orca?
No.
What is it?
I don't know. But a legally cited said that Steam Deck now has a screen reader.
Either way, I don't care.
How come?
I'm getting a Nintendo Switch 2 and that's that.
Yeah, the rip-off of PlayStation.
Well.
you know.
That is true, but still.
Top of speech off. Speech on. Speech off.
By the way, you can one for Switch too.
I know.
Someone actually done it.
Linux firmware download Microsoft Linux Mint Linux firmware restore button close button.
Wait there.
Opening new window. Add address and search. H A D chat G B D. Loading page. Loading complete.
Oh wait, I forgot this is Google, no, Microsoft. Jeez.
Start G Google G App Start cursor. Normal new tab in address and search. CHAY
Is the VM running in the background still?
Yeah.
G chat GPT Google skip and search to me head chat link heading level 2 heads region heading level clickable official while is at clickable and heads region while is at clickable introducing chat about this reason introduce login menu button login menu. Chat GPT opens in a new API platform. Open sorta open. Introducing Chat GPT banner landmark script login open a toggle navigation safety for business. Chat GPT link sorta link API story company news link navigate main landmark product drive Chat GPT for work link drive Chat GPT opens in a new normal curve. Chat GPT open profile sign up for free login button. Login, open a tickle log in option form landmark. Email it, continue button. Sign up, Google logo, Microsoft, Apple logo, Google logo, forbidden cursor.
What the?
Button unavailable, continue with Chat GPT. Clickable add photos and section multi-line at choose tool net. Clickable dictate button. Clickable start voice mode button. Clickable add photo section multi-line edited. G I B B C B B space B B M B A space A L I S D list so F of space D D S D T S space R B N G N S N games S N I N S S N A G G B N S gens B G N B B N G B N S Emmons B G N B B N G I N S Emmons space D A D that I C N can D O B D W N L O A D mode space N O R E for L O L L I N U X Linux M I N D Mint F O R E for O R C A okay space D H A D that I C A N can D O W N L O A D down F R O M from D B C O M A N D command space
Whatever.
L I N D line choose to clickable dictate send prompt ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, here is a list of text-to-speech engines you can install on Linux Mint for use with Orca, all available via command line. Checkmark button 1. eSpeak NG Modern eSpeak install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install eSpeak NG Notes. Lightweight, supports many languages, robotic but responsive. Checkmark button 2. eSpeak Legacy install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install eSpeak Notes. Older version. Usually use eSpeak NG instead, unless you need compatibility. Checkmark button 3. Festival install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Festival Notes. Includes British English and US voices. Naturalness is limited without external voices. Checkmark button 4. Flight Festival Lite install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Flight Notes. Very lightweight, suitable for resource-constrained systems but robotic. Checkmark button 5. Pico text-to-speech, Spox Pico, install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Pico Utils, Notes. Small footprint, decent quality male and female voices for English and some European languages. Checkmark button 6. Speech Dispatcher, framework with modules, install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Speech Dispatcher, Notes. Required as a backend for many engines. Often pre-installed but ensuring is present and running. Checkmark button 7. RH Voice, install. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install Voice, Notes. High quality open source voices for Russian and some other languages. Some English voices available. Checkmark button 8. Mary text-to-speech, Java server based. Install prerequisites. Bash sudo apt update sudo apt install default direct, then follow manual install. Download from https://jivcom merits releases https://jivcom merits releases. Extract and run via Java. Notes. More complex setup. Works as a local server. Checkmark button extra. Google Speech AP is running on Poly. Notes. These are cloud-based and require internet API setup and are not installed via apt. Some screen readers scripts integrate them, but they are not direct offline text-to-speech engines. Wrench switching text-to-speech engine for Orca once installed. To change the synthesizer. 1. Press insert space to open Orca settings. 2. Go to speech tab 3. Choose synthesizer from the drop-down.
That's where the voice
It uses Speech Dispatcher by default, which manages these engines. If you want recommended naturalness versus resources, use RH Voice or Pico text-to-speech for local usage, or integrate cloud text-to-speech if you need highly natural voices. Let me know if you want step-by-step configuration for any of these.
Oh, on the
Chat
page it says
Teamware
use
Works
voice
Linux
for
Mint.
voices.
Teamware
You
Workstation
don't.
column 4.
You do?
Linux
No,
Mint.
it's already pre-installed
How do you know?
because ChatGPT didn't give anything, so it's fine.
Push button. Password text.
You know, but you can change that setting so it doesn't do that.
What?
9 bullet welcome and dash. Mozilla Firefox frame.
It's fine.
Search colon. Welcome and dash. Mozilla Firefox. Search colon. Welcome and dash.
Mozilla.
Welcome and dash. Mozilla Firefox frame. Enter your Alphiat Mintman colon.
Terminal. Terminal. Sudo apt install virus. What is that sound? Sudo apt install virus.
left bracket sudo right bracket password for Alfie colon.
So. Password.
Reading package lists 0%. Done. Building dependency tree 0%. Building dependency tree. Done. Reading state information 0%. Done. The following additional packages will be installed colon. LibreVoice Audio 2 LibreVoice Core 7 RH Voice English. The following NEW packages will be installed. LibreVoice Audio 2 LibreVoice Core 7 RH Voice English.
literally lied
0
to
to
us.
upgrade, 4 to newly install, 0 to remove, and 1 not to upgrade. Need to get 35.6 MB
No,
of
but you need to
archive.
do
After
act.
this operation, 67.9 MB of additional disk space will be used.
Jeez.
Do you want to continue? Left bracket y/n right bracket.
No. Yeah.
0% left bracket working right bracket. Get colon 1 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu-noble/multiverse AMD64RH voice-English all 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build
Wait.
3 left bracket
It's
34.9 MB right bracket 0% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 0B/34.9 MB 0% right bracket 8% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 3575 KB/34.9 MB 1 17% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 7393 KB/34.9 MB 21 25% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 11.2 MB/34.9 MB 32%
They literally
right
lied to us
bracket
on our rate
34% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 15.0
Can you believe it?
MB/34.9 MB 43
Yeah.
42% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 18.8 MB/34.9 MB 54 51%
It's fun
left
though.
bracket 1 RH voice-English 22.6 MB/34.9 MB 65 9% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 26.4 MB/34.9 MB 76 68% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 30.2 MB/34.9 MB 87 77% left bracket 1 RH voice-English 34.1 MB/34.9 MB 98 83% left bracket waiting for headers right bracket. Get colon 2 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu-noble/multiverse AMD64 LibreVoice-Core 7 AMD64 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build 3 left bracket 538 KB right bracket 83% left bracket 2 LibreVoice-Core 7 4096 B/538 KB 1% right bracket. Get colon 3 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu-noble/multiverse AMD64 LibreVoice-Audio 2 AMD64 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build
That's a
3 left bracket
game.
38.8 KB right bracket 90% left bracket 3 LibreVoice-Audio 2 0B/38.8 KB 0% right bracket. Get colon 4 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu-noble/multiverse AMD64 RH voice AMD64 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build 3 left bracket 179 KB right bracket fetched 35.6 MB in 5 left paren 7295 KB/s right paren. Fetched 35.6 MB in 5 left paren
5 seconds,
7295
35.6 megabytes in 5
KB/s right
seconds.
paren. Selecting previously unselected package RH voice-English left paren reading database 5% left paren reading database 546,862 files and directories currently installed right paren. Preparing to unpack /RH voice-English line 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build 3 line all.dev. Unpacking RH voice-English left paren 1.8.0 plus DFSG-free build 3 right
Okay,
paren.
now I'm going to go into Orca
Unpacking RH
settings.
voice. Screen reader ref voice page tab. Voice type settings panel. Voice type speech system : speech synthesize. eSpeak-ng open talk.
A.
Why is it not there?
Default synthesize.
Oh, you need to reboot.
Do I? How
You
come?
need to boot your system
How come?
because Because it's
Voice
mass
type
changes.
code. Voice page tab. OK push button. Screen
Wait, does
reader
it
settings
change?
reloaded. Alfie at Vintrum colon.
What?
Does it change?
Well, yeah, it's changed, but you need to reboot the system
Why?
because it would only make sense because you're applying changes.
Yeah, but I can't find it in the synthesizer. Unless I restart Orca.
No, try restarting the next minute.
New. Access Raffin Office House System to Places System Men locked screen. Log out Alfie shutdown. And shutdown push suspend restart push button.
We're on the journey. We are on a journey to Linux.
Well, we've already gone from Linux. We're already on Linux.
Well, we're on another journey to get packages.
What? And where are
Screen
we
reader on.
delivering them?
Login screen frame. Enter password for Alfie password text.
Where are we delivering them?
Bullet.
Where are we delivering them?
Right now, we
Bullet.
need to log in.
Bullet. 8 bullet card. Zip.
Oh.
Bullet. Bullet. Screen reader on. Screen reader preferences dialog. General page, voice speech system, speech synthesizer. Open store. Default synth.
It's not showing.
Try
Speech system, voice type, speech system.
Huh?
Maybe it's e-voices.
Speech language, person, combo box. Default voice. English left paren, Great Britain right paren. English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Alex. English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Adam. Lang speech system, voice type, voice page, OK push, cancel, apply push, screen reader settings reloaded. Cancel push button, OK put voice speech system, speech synth, language code, person code, capitalizations rate, horizontal pitch code, volume global voice settings panel, speak multic break person language person English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Alex. English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Alicia. English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Andrea. English left paren, Great Britain right paren, plus Andy. Default Lang speech system, voice type, voice OK, cancel push, apply push, screen reader settings reloaded. Voice page, speak numbers, help push, voice speak multi-case, speak apply, cancel push, OK push, screen reader settings reloaded.
Now I know what to do. I need to do
Desktop.
sudo
Right,
apt
you.
update.
Oh yeah.
Alfie at Vintrum colon.
Try doing it in Update Manager.
Nah,
Why?
it's easiest to do it here.
Update Manager's better to do. Do you agree?
Password
True,
for
but
Alfie
still.
colon.
I'm already in it.
True, yeah, with no point of.
0% left bracket working right bracket. Hit :1 http / archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble in release get :2 http / security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security in release left bracket 126 KB right bracket 0% left bracket waiting for headers right bracket left bracket waiting for headers right bracket left bracket 2 in release 14.2 KB / 126 KB 11% right bracket Get free http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates in release left bracket 126 KB right bracket 0% left bracket waiting for
What do you mean it's
right
hit
bracket
something?
left bracket 3 in release 2500.
What does that mean when it's hit something?
126 KB 2% right bracket left bracket 2 in release 14.2 KB/1. 9:4 http://packages.linuxmint.com 0 in release 0% left bracket
That's new.
in release 15.7 KB/126 KB 12% right bracket left bracket 2 in release 31.6 KB/126 KB 25% right bracket. Waiting for headers right bracket left bracket 3 in release 65.0 KB/126 KB 52% right bracket left bracket 2 in release 98.4 KB/ hit :5 http://packages.linuxmint.com 0 release 0% left bracket 3 in release 73.7 KB/126 KB 58% right bracket left bracket 2 in release 104 KB/126 KB 83% right bracket 85.4 KB/126 KB 68% right bracket. Waiting for headers right bracket. Get :6 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble backports in release left bracket 126 KB right bracket 0% left bracket 6 in release 5500 B/126 KB 4% right bracket 106 KB/126 KB 8 working right bracket. Get :8 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security/main AMD64 components left bracket 21.6 KB right bracket 0% left bracket 8 components AMD64 4190 B/21.6 KB 19% right bracket working right bracket 18 for headers. Get :9 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security/restricted AMD64 components left bracket 212 B right bracket get :10 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security/universe AMD64 components left bracket 52.2 KB right bracket get :11 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security/multiverse AMD64 components left bracket 212 B right bracket 0% left bracket 10 components AMD64 store 0 B right bracket left bracket waiting for headers right bracket get :11 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security/multiverse AMD64 components left bracket 212 B right bracket 0% left bracket waiting for headers right bracket waiting for headers right bracket. Get :12 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates/main AMD64 components left bracket 161 KB right bracket 0% left bracket 12 components AMD64 0 B/161 KB 0% right bracket 0% left bracket 12 components AMD64 store 0 B right bracket 12 components AMD64 store 0 B right bracket 68% left bracket waiting for headers right bracket. Get :13 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates/restricted AMD64 components left bracket 212 B right bracket get :14 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu no. Get :14 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates/universe AMD64 components left bracket 376 KB right bracket 68% left bracket 14 components AMD64 5569 B/376 KB 1% right bracket. Get :15 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates/multiverse AMD64 components left bracket 940 B right bracket get :16 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble backports/main AMD64 components left bracket 7068 B right bracket get :17 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble backports/restricted restricted AMD64 components left bracket 216 B
All
right
right.
bracket colon 18 http colon slash
18
archive.ubuntu.com
repositories.
slash ubuntu noble dash backport slash universe AMD64
What's next? Multiverse?
KB right bracket get colon 90 http colon slash archive.ubuntu.com slash ubuntu noble dash backport slash multiverse AMD64
Yeah.
components left bracket
It's gonna be
212 B right
endless,
bracket
endless.
100% left bracket 14 component slash AMD64 store 0 B right bracket 100% left bracket working right bracket fetched 1015 KB into left paren 616 KB slash S right paren reading package lists 0% done building dependency tree 0% done reading state information done one package can be upgraded run apt list dash dash upgradable to see it alpha at minimum colon tilde dollar window.
So sudo apt upgrade.
Yeah.
One package.
It's probably the Ubuntu driver's common thing.
Let's just do sudo apt. No.
Leave message password text policy. Nine bullet characters. Alpha at minimum colon.
Earth to Orca. What just happened? Alfie? Alfie?
Yeah.
I think it's that package that can't be
Alpha at
updated
minimum colon.
driver's
Tilde
common.
frame. Alpha at minimum colon tilde dollar. Sudo alpha at minimum colon tilde dollar.
Is it UPGRAID?
UPGRADE.
SUDO. Upgrade D.
0%. Reading package lists. Done building dependency tree. 0%. Building dependency tree. Done reading state information. Done. Calculating upgrade. 0%. Done. The following upgrades have been deferred due to phasing colon. Ubuntu dash drivers dash common. 0 to upgrade. 0 to newly install. 0 to remove. And 1 not to upgrade.
It's that
Alpha
pesky
at minimum
package, I
colon
think it's
tilde
an error
dollar.
in the code.
And it can't even be upgraded.
I know. Try doing RH voice again.
Yeah. Hold on. Where is R? R H.
Voice.
H voice colon. Command not found.
Oh.
Alpha at minimum colon tilde
Yeah,
dollar.
it's not a command. Open screen reader preferences.
Screen reader prep voice page tab voice tab speech system speech synthesizer colon. Combo box. Open talk. Global voice settings panel.
Nothing.
Speak multicase strings break speech voice tab pitch rate colon capit person la speech synthesizer colon. Combo box. OE speak dash NG. Default synth. E-speak dash speech system voice type voice pay OK push cancel push apply push screen reader settings reloaded. Cancel push button. OK voice speech system speech synthesizer colon. Combo box. Default synthesizer. E-speak dash NG. Lang speech synthesizer speak voice OK cancel push apply push screen reader settings reloaded. O voice page tab voice speech synthesizer colon. Combo box. E-speak dash NG. Open
Wait, you know where you have voice in
default
one?
synthesizer.
Both there.
Speak voice
We
voice
checked.
page tab. OK.
We
Voice
checked.
cancel. Apply push button. Screen reader settings reloaded. Voice page tab. Break speech voice pitch rate capital burst and speech assist voice type voice page OK cancel push button OK push button screen reader settings reloaded. Alfie at Vintvum Co.
Wait, the page did say we need to set up the module.
Wait.
Let me bring up the bit where it says you need to set up the module.
This list 0%. Done. Building dependency tree 0%. Building dependency tree. Done. Reading state information 0%. Done. RH voice is already the newest version left parent 1.8.0 plus the FSG-3 build 3 right parent dot. 0 to upgrade, 0 to newly install, 0 to remove, and 1 not to upgrade. Alfie at Vintvum $.
Now,
Yeah.
it says here that you do need to install voices. Type SUGO
SUDO.
space
Yeah.
R
Yeah.
H
Yeah.
V
V. Yeah.
O
O.
I
I.
C
C.
E
E.
full stop
Yeah.
V
V.
M
M.
for Mike.
Oh. M.
Space hyphen
Space hyphen
Yeah.
A.
RH voice.vm : command not found Alfie at Vintvum : $.
English voice command. Sudo voice EMI sample common region Landmark.
You serious? It's not even installed.
It has installed, but
SUDO spell
Try SUDO
yeah.
space R H
R H
V
V. L I C E C E.
full stop
Yeah.
V
Yeah.
M
Yeah.
space
Yeah.
hyphen
Yeah.
I space
Yeah.
A L A N
RH voice.vm : command not found Alfie at Vintvum : $.
Voice in sudo voice VML. Now let's test if it speaks. If you the method described below speak to use the Orca screen reader. 1. The start. If you use the Orca screen reader, you will need to manually connect RH voice to speech dispatcher, which is the software Orca relies on to work with TTS engines.
Here it is.
Method 1. Open the terminal and change directory to /USR/net/speech dispatcher modules.
Do that.
/U. Uniform.
Slash.
CD.
Huh?
Put CD.
C D
And then slash
slash
U
U S
USR
R
slash
slash
L
L
I
I
B
B
slash
slash
S
S
P
P.
E
Hold on. E E
C
C H hyphen D I S P A.
T.
T. Yeah, T.
Yeah, T.
C.
T.
Charlie.
C. Wait. Hold on. C. H.
Yeah.
Wait. E.
R.
R.
Hyphen.
Hyphen. M. O.
D.
D.
Delta U.
U.
L.
L.
E.
E.
S.
S.
Full stop.
Enter.
colon, cd/user/lib/speech-dispatcher-modules, colon, no such file or directory of the admin colon tilde dollar.
Create a symbol and link to RH voice module for speech dispatcher to sudo ls/snap/voice/current/beat/sp.
Okay, I don't think it works.
Dark theme, content info, dark theme, copyright, GitHub, comma, revoice, verticals, revoice, voice.org, link,
Seriously?
skip part, bullet 1, an up-to-date bullet 2. One of the packages built for specific Linux distributions.
How about that one?
Will be up to date and provide all the voices. C, 1 of 1,
How about that step?
What is it?
page, link,
Oh, it's like a package for specific distributions.
guest page, link,
Yeah.
outline, editable, packaging state, link, packaging status, RH voice in Snap Store, edit, link, RH voice in Snap Store, link, an alpha version of the RH voice Snap is now available in the Snap Store. Please
Hold on.
link,
Let me go to the Snap Store.
Wait a second.
What?
Sudo
What?
apt install snap. Is it hyphen after snap?
No, I don't think.
Snap. I'm gonna.
An alpha version of the Snap only installs the RH voice install the Snap. Sudo Snap install Edge voice. Copy. The voice manager must be run as root. List available voice sudo voice
Hyphen S T O R E.
Copy. Install voice.
Colon, command not found alpha admin colon til.
Copy list install sudo
Hold on.
voice en context with its speed to echo vertical voice test copy button revoice copy. Unfortunately, link you can view apology link packages in Linux distributions. Link new project page. Full script. Please note that versions of RH voice in are in Linux. Hidden link. All line can be installed from
There's one for all
Sisyphus link page in the app. Page 10. Install a hash symbol. Now get install RH voice copy.
Wait,
Large
that-
Linux. Link.
Option
Example sudo copy button sudo apt install speech dispatcher voice.
Wait,
Sudo
I'm
apt
not
install
sure what
voice
that is.
ignition. Its packages are in the non-free components for link. Debian. Link Debian.
Debian.
Example sudo copy Fedora. Link. Repository /RH voice Fedora proper. Example installation commands. Sudo enable. Repository copy object 2. Edit go copy. Command 0. First example panel copy Rails. Sudo copy. Slit. Edit horizontal sudo yarn copy. Equal 2. Link. Found it. Link PPM installer. Sudo copy. Vertical screen.
Wait, it's gonna be Ubuntu, isn't it?
Repository PPA. Link/voice. Sudo apt-get update.
Oh.
Sudo apt-get install voice.
you have to add a repository.
Which one?
PPA.
How do I do that?
Oh, it's a little command. SUDO
SUDO.
Space.
space
Yeah. A,
D,
D,
T, copy, sudo copy vertical copies. SUDO space DD hyphen.
D. Wait, have you put two Ds?
A.
ADD,
Hyphen.
hyphen,
Or read. Installation sudo add repository PPA. SUDO space DD hyphen
A,
A,
P,
P,
Mapper,
P,
T,
T,
Tiger,
T,
hyphen,
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 R,
rodeo,
R,
E,
echo,
E,
P,
P,
Mapper,
P,
O,
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 S,
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 I,
I,
T,
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 Tiger, O,
O,
Oscar R,
O,
R,
R,
Y,
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 space,
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 P,
P,
Mapper,
P,
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 Mapper,
A,
A,
Alpha,
colon,
hold on,
shift and center.
yeah,
L,
L,
I,
I,
N,
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 B,
V,
Victor, I,
V,
I,
N,
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 U,
U,
S,
S,
Sierra,
S,
slash, R, H,
slash,
R,
R,
H,
H,
V,
V,
Victor,
V,
O,
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 I,
I,
C,
Charlie,
C,
E,
E,
Echo,
E.
I,
and then press enter.
Cannot add PPA
All I know
code.
is that
This
someone is
PPA does
repeating all
not
my
support
digits.
global dot. Alfie at mint from
Can I add it?
$1.
What does it say?
It said can I add PPA thing?
Looks like it can't do it.
Wait,
Livinus, can we found it? Livinus slash voice link.
S U D O A P T get after get what do you type?
You don't put get.
GPA-ODUS.
Wait, I think you do have to do speech dispatcher
What do you mean?
because it would make sense because I've seen someone install SVOX Pico before and they used a command that involved speech dispatcher using Linux Mint.
Okay, what did they do?
Typed in like if you go to like Arch Linux, I think
Yeah.
you should find it.
Where is my phone?
To be found currently, you run to copy, super currently, Solus, Arcus, copy, super installation convenience currently, Redos, copy, Package currently, and Gerard, copy, good super installation, copy, button sudo, TA, vertical, quotation, and processing quotation, echo. You might want to enable non-free, CC by NCNT, false to Google, link to be currently, Gen 2, copy, lost for Greece, enable, screen screen, lost for be found currently, and copy, screen package currently, TV, copy, screen development, bullet, latest version, bullet color, or can be installed from currently, Arch Linux, link,
Yeah.
Go forward.
can be installed from, or link, color, bullet, latest version, link, bullet development version, example development version, sudo pacman s voice, sudo pacman s voice language English, sudo pacman s voice out,
Wait, go forward. That's the wrong one.
Debian, edit,
Debian it might be.
it is for example installation, sudo apt install speech dispatcher voice, sudo apt install voice English,
That would only make sense.
Sierra,
Okay, so you don't need to put both of those commands in, just put S. So
S
sudo,
T-O,
space.
Yeah, I put that.
APT.
A-P... Hold on. T. Yeah.
Natan, here is your reminder. Play the daily question.
I.
Messages.
N.
60S.
N.
Sierra.
S.
T.
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 A.
A.
Alpha.
L.
L. L.
Lima. Space.
Space.
S.
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 P.
P.
E.
E.
Echo.
E.
Echo. C.
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 H.
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 Hyphen.
Hyphen.
D.
D.
I.
I.
S.
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 P.
P.
A.
A.
T.
T.
Hold on. T.
Charlie.
C.
C.
H.
H.
E.
E.
R.
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 Hyphen.
Hyphen.
R.
R.
Romeo.
R.
H.
H.
V.
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 O.
O.
I.
I.
D.
C.
E.
E.
Echo.
That's not it.
S.
Then put space.
Sierra.
Space.
Now wait.
A-P-T.
Because there's an easier version of it.
L. Space. R.
R.
Romeo.
No, you've already put that.
No, you're installing two packages at the same time.
Wait.
R.
Did you say space?
Yeah, you need to put space after what I told you to put earlier.
Wait, hold on.
Read. Building dependency tree, 0%. Building dependency tree, done reading state information, 0%. Done. The following NEW packages will be installed. Speech-dispatcher-RH voice.
Yes!
0 to upgrade, 1 to newly install, 0 to remove, and 1 not to upgrade. Need to get 105 KB of archives. After this operation, 395 KB of additional disk space will be used. 0% left bracket working right bracket. Get :1 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble/multiverse AMD64 speech-dispatcher-RH voice AMD64 1.8.0 plus DFSG-3 build 3 left bracket 105 KB right bracket 11% left bracket
Yeah, it's
1
always
speech-dispatcher-RH
good to use the
voice
commands because
14.1 KB/105
Yeah.
KB 13% right bracket. Fetched 105 KB in zeros left paren.
0
KB
seconds?
/s right paren. Selecting previously unselected package speech-dispatcher-
Let's see if it
Screen reader
appears.
preference. Keyboard layout. Progress bar update. Keyboard general page tab. Key progress bar updates panel. Speak updates checkbox ticked. Braille updates checkbox. Speak keyboard layout. Pro Braille up beep up frequency beep updates checkbox not ticked. Ticked. Braille speak keyboard layout. General page tab. Voice page. Voiced speech synthesizer : combo box. Open talk. Default. Speak -eng open talk. Default synth speech voice page OK put cancel put OK screen reader settings.
Now what's the
reloaded.
next thing?
Alphiat minimum : tilde frame. Alphiat minimum : tilde.
So, now,
Yeah.
put... Where's my phone? Sorry.
H. R.
Sudo apt install.
No, check.
No, that's what I read earlier.
No, check. SUDO space APT space INSTALL space
RHV.
RHV
OI.
OI
C-E.
C-E hyphen E
N.
G L I S H.
Done.
Building package lists, 0%. Done. Building dependency tree, 0%. Building dependency tree, done. Reading state information, 0%. RH voice-English set to manually installed. RH voice-English is already the newest version. Left paren 1.8.0 plus DFSG-3 build 3 right paren dot. RH voice-English set to manually installed. 0 to upgrade, 0 to newly install, 0 to remove, and 1 not to upgrade. Alfie at Vintrum $tilde.
It's already installed.
But it's not appearing in my things.
Wait.
Next tab, flat pack, the future toolbar, back, rebound, GitHub, reclose, address, toolbar, address,
Screen reader on. Alfie at Vintrum : Screen reader preferences dialog. General page to keyboard layout panel. Progress bar update
Hold
panel.
on.
Key general page tab voice speech system : Speech synthesizer : combo box. The eSpeak-NG open store.
main navigation, heading level 2.
What
Default
voice do you want to
synthesizer.
install?
Speak
Alan.
voice type : voice page tab OK
Okay,
push
well,
button.
let's see, look at that.
Screen reader
So-
settings reloaded. Alfie at Vintrum :
Snap install. To this
Ignore this.
sudo voice VMA. Some R. Then sudo voice VMA. Some S.
S-U-D-O.
SUDO.
Space.
Yeah.
A-P. No, R-H.
RH V O I C E
Full stop.
dot V M
Space.
space hyphen I
Space.
space
A.
A
L.
L
A.
A
N.
N.
rhvoice.vm : command not found. Alfie at Vintrum.
It's because the article's outdated.
What?
It's because the article's outdated.
What is?
The article.
I
Hold on, let me reboot.
Shutdown. A shutdown, suspend, pull, restart, push.
know. Alfie,
Yeah?
I think you should install the Flatpak backend soon.
Mhm.
Because then you won't need to.
Adamo,
Yeah.
Nathan, learn more. Well, the tech, open 1, night sky. App, live now, live now. Remain, connect, remaining time. 2 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. Remaining time. 2 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. Stop, button.
What the? RH voice has started!
What?
Listen.
Do it.
Come on in.
Do it.
I can't hear it.
I know you can't, but you will be able to in a minute. It's installed.
Screen reader on.
Ooh. Yes!
Screen
There
reader
you
prep
go.
voice
Stand
page.
up.
Voice type speech synthesizer : combo box. Default synthesizer. Language : person : combo box. Default voice. Alan. BDL. CLB. FGNI-LUBOV. SLT. FGNI-N. LUBOV.
Does that
FCLB.
sound better?
BDL.
Uh-huh.
Alan. BDL. Speech
simple
synthesis.
restart
Voice type.
this
Voice.
trick.
OK. Cancel. Apply push button.
Screen reader settings reloaded.
That sounds
Cancel
better.
push button. OK push button. Speech
Yeah.
system colon. Combo box. Speech language colon. Person colon. Combo box. Speech synth
Does
replace.
RH voice come up?
SB-G. Open talk. Voice.
Yep, it does.
Default synthesis voice.
Yes.
Default synthesizer.
So now
Speech
you've got
system
RH
voice type voice page. OK push cancel push OK push button. Screen reader settings reloaded. Desktop. Icon view. Linux Mint 22.1 mate 64-bit icon.
Stop. But left chat off. Volume. Screen pause off. Shield theme. FP 30. Video FH fit. Connect. Remaining time. 2 hours. 0 minutes. And 0 seconds.
Hold on a second.
At YouTube.
Has my video been taken
YouTube.
down?
YouTube. Screen record 90. Full video collapse. Video collapse.
Because live now is
Video
updating.
player.
It's stuck on 2 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds.
I can check for you.
Please do.
Why?
Because I don't know if it is still doing it.
Unlisted. But drafts. Setting up my first Eva.
Hold
Setting up my first Eva vert. Setting up Alfie.
Hello, guys!
Repause. Play. Alfie. Tap to watch live. Button. Video player.
Still doing it.
Unlisted. Button. Draft. Top. Setting up my first Eva. Setting up my first Eva vert. Setting up. Play.
Never mind, it's still on. It's still on.
Good.
I think it's just a bug with live now.
20% charged. Shortcuts. Now.
Guys, I now have RH voice.
What are you gonna do now?
I need to go toilet, so I will be back in a second, guys.
And I will be back when I get my brownies. Mama? What's going on there, Sarah? What's it? Oh. Oh, sorry. This is something.
I'm back. And nothing's not there. I'm going to check something.
Alfie admit colon. Tilde frame. Alfie admit colon tilde. Alfie mint. Alfie ad. T. P. Left bracket pseudo right bracket password for Alfie colon.
I'm back.
Okay.
I've got brownies.
Pseudo colon. Update colon. Command not found. Alfie admit colon.
What are you doing?
Oh, never mind.
E. A. %, left bracket working right bracket.
What are you downloading?
http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble and release it :
We'll see.
http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble updates and release it : 3 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble backports and release 0% left bracket connecting to packages.linuxmint.com left parent 277 2011 right parent right bracket left bracket connecting to secure it. Hit : 3 http://archive.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble backports and release 0% left bracket connecting to packages.linuxmint.com left parent 277 2011 right parent right bracket left bracket
I'm
connecting to
updating
secure
stuff.
it. Hit : 4 http://security.ubuntu.com/ubuntu noble security and release 0% left bracket waiting for headers right bracket in : 5 http://packages.linuxmint.com zia and release 0% left bracket working right bracket ding for headers right bracket. Hit : 6 http://packages.linuxmint.com zia release 0% left bracket working right bracket reading package lists 0% done. Building dependency tree 0% building dependency tree done. Reading state information 0% done. One package can be upgraded. Run apt list upgradable to see it. Alfie admin : tilde.
Alfie, it's the same package.
I know. Wait, check if your Chromebook needs updating.
I don't want to touch that thing.
Hold on, I just need to snapshot something.
What, your RH voice stuff?
Uh-huh.
Desktop Linux Mint 22
Toolbar edit ULB tabs OP set grab S snapshot take Linux Mint name edit alt and selected snapshot 3 description edit multi-line alt blank.
You need to be careful on what you do with Linux.
Uh-huh.
I broke apps. You know apps?
Uh-huh.
I broke it.
Takes
How?
description edit multi-line alt selected contains new DTS voices takes Linux Mint more workstation pay unknown cursor
menu shutdown push suspend push shutdown push button restart push button
What are you doing?
cancel restart shutdown push button
more workstation dialog saving virtual machine state to snapshot 3 36% 46% 56%.
Oh, so it saves everything to snapshot 3 now. But it won't save it again after.
93%. Linux Mint. more
Makes
workstation
sense.
pane normal cursor
Okay, I'm locking you now.
app start cursor desktop window.
That was a nice journey through packages. Wasn't it?
Yeah, and tomorrow you're going to be installing even more.
Mm-hmm.
Right now you need to get a web browser.
Yeah, I do.
What web browser are you going to get?
Once I've installed the Flatpak plugin, I'm going to install possibly either Google Chrome or Opera.
Chrome would be a better option.
True.
You know that you can get Chrome from the official Google website.
What, the Linux version? Okay. I
Yeah,
said
you can.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
What, for Linux version?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do that.
Yeah.
Is it a .deb?
I don't know.
Possibly is.
We'll find out when we do it.
Yeah. Guys, Glory Frontline's coming out on Monday, so I hope you enjoy it. And get ready to be beaten as me and Nathan will get rid of you.
People that can see are going to have trouble. Because since they don't have that great hearing, they're going to rely on their vision a lot. In fact, they already do that. They rely on their vision for like everything.
That is actually true. Most things, anyway.
So they'll be looking at graphics, but it'll be too slow, and then we're gonna be like, and the moment that they find out, we're gonna be there. I'll be using the rifle.
I'm going to be using my either the rifle or the shotgun.
Be careful with what range you pick.
I know. Because the pistol can be bad. But you can use it if the person's like short range.
I think we should make an app especially for Linux which will help you learn terminal.
Yeah.
It'll teach you from like updating packages, listing files, navigating to files, running SH files, things like that.
Yeah.
Like a full course.
Mhm.
It'll make its own files and all that for the user to run.
Yeah.
You like the terminal?
It's alright.
Forwards 10 add line more. Welcome to Pathway Nathan Pathway of Jenna. Hi button.
Oh hi.
The techno Pathway of Jenna.
Oh,
Hi
it's a new person.
button.
Do you prefer terminal or a desktop UI?
Desktop UI possibly, but terminal is like very verbose. Not like verbose
I mean,
stuff.
if you are doing advanced things, terminal.
Terminal, yeah.
Partly because if you use like a visual tool like Plasma Discover, and you encounter some kind of error, it won't really tell you much about what happens.
Linux doesn't really encounter any errors, to be honest. I think this operating system like really good, especially for that.
Like,
So
if it does encounter an error, it will automatically resolve it for you.
yeah.
So technically, you don't really need the troubleshooting menu.
I am actually starting to get the hang of Linux.
I know, it takes a bit of time.
But once you learn, obviously, you know how to use it.
It was hard for me as well.
Have you ever used Linux before?
I have.
Which distro?
Oh, Linux Mint.
How?
Oh, I ran it at my old school.
Oh, why did I have a Windows laptop? No, a Linux laptop.
They have Windows laptops, but we had to do like a thing where we would try out command line and all that.
Oh.
I had to ask them where the super key was. Because, like, at the time I didn't know about Orca.
Yeah.
And the IT teacher said to do Control Windows Alt and S.
It's not even that, it's Windows Alt S.
I know, it must have been updated.
No, it's always been Windows Alt S.
Oh yeah. But then I've done it and like, we were told to go to Terminal. And we were told to do basic installation commands.
Was this in VMware?
Yes, it was.
Ah.
Actually, no, I think it was.
VirtualBox?
No, I think it was a full-on OS install.
Oh. Okay, so pretty cool.
I was actually the first person to actually figure out what reading database means.
Okay, I'm coming.
I did not know what a database was. I thought it was like a server.
Welcome to Line. Welcome Adamo chat well path
Yeah.
Nathan F pathway Nate the tech pathway of Nathan S tech pathway of Jenna. Hi button.
Alfie might be using Linux Mint as his main OS.
Possibly because Windows is rubbish and macOS I don't even like at the moment.
I'm thinking about making NetOS based on Linux again.
Makes sense.
The reason why I
What
stopped-
about the OS Maker thing? Because obviously.
Yeah, but you can also get it as an ISO.
Yeah, but I mean for like OS Maker, like the app. Are you still going to use Fabric or are you going to change it to Linux?
We'll be using Linux kernel, but Fabric will be the hardware helper.
Okay.
So basically, if there's a driver to install, you'll get something like this. Fabric, window.
Now OS Maker will be coming out next year.
And guys, you will be able to add your own scripts. There will be a little coding language which we have.
So we're actually going to be making our own coding language.
And basically, I'm going to think of this one. So, if you want a button to get something from a website, let's say freetech.rf.gv, you want your button to retrieve an audio file from freetech.rf.gv. You would do assign less than URL greater than as URL.
No, it'll be URL less than URL and then equal. No, less than URL left bracket and then the URL right bracket greater than.
If you have anything else, and then it's get file, and then the file name.
Yeah.
In brackets. And then extension equals whatever extension. So kind of basic. And the hard bit is let's say, updates. We'll do modify.
Nate pathway of welcome to Line Adam chat
Yeah.
Base.
app live now act live now
URL.
less rat screen black 3 hours remaining time 2 hours 3 hours 3 minutes and 31 seconds.
URLs until it's done. And then show message less than restart.
How is this possible?
What do you mean?
How have I been live
With 3 hours 3 minutes and 46 seconds.
How have I been live streaming for about 3 hours?
I don't know.
And I've still got 2 hours and 0 seconds left.
I don't know.
That is a bug,
Clearly.
but I like it.
Oh, I do.
This is the longest live stream I've ever done.
Yeah, just messing with Linux.
3 hours, 4 minutes, and 13 seconds. Remaining time 2 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds.
Still 2 hours. Gosh.
I have Git pre-installed on my Chromebook.
Oh.
Yeah, it was pre-installed.
Guys, unfortunately, this is the end of the live stream, so
Stop button.
make sure to like, subscribe, click options, and press all to receive notifications from others at all times. If you are sighted, press the notification icon, bell, whatever, bell icon. And make sure to subscribe to Natan's Tech World, formerly known as T111. So it's Natan's Tech World, and make sure to also subscribe to HM Tech. I don't want to leave him out.
Left
So-
stop button.
And Sam's GAC2.
So, yeah, guys.
Stop.
Bye.